Province Arts columnist Stuart Derdeyn here at Science World for the opening of the Body Worlds 2 and the Brain exhibit, which is running from this weekend well into the holiday season. And what can I say except there are dangers in skateboarding. Clearly this fellow must have had an accident at some point, but he's preserved for all time, pulling a perfect upside-down ollie. And you can see this and much more in this new exhibit concentrating on the brain. Very much fun.